have been in the aromatherapy world for over 36 years. And during these 36 years, I have been in the forefront of developing aromatherapy products for health and well-being, the skincare, organic skincare and perfumery. And also, I'm an international aromatherapist, which means I have taught all over the world. I've taught in Asia, Europe, and in the United States. I've been translated in Korean, Chinese, Flemish, German, Spanish, French, and it's been such a wonderful way to be able to share aromatherapy all over the world through my method, the Lorrie method, which incorporates the mental and emotional, spiritual, and physical aspects of aromatherapy.